Alrighty, we got Braden's mp3 player, his old one, to microwave today. It has battery in it, so this will catch on fire. That's why we have our water bottle standing by. Insignia. Woo!
Yay.
You want to do a minute on this?
Should do like 2.
Alright. Let me get this back first. We gotta just make sure the water bottle's like right next to you so you can run.
Go up like that.
No, fucking tilt it down.
Alright.
Oh fuck. Here we go. Is anything happening?
It's popping.
Yeah, I hear the popping.
I think we're never gonna.
Was it smoking?
No.
Watch, it's gonna eventually just burst into flames.
I know. I think we're gonna need the water for this.
I know.
I might put both of these gloves on.
Yeah, good idea. That's why I got them, because we have safety technology in my laboratory of microwaves.
In this garage.
Yeah, my garage, whatever. It's my laboratory, so fuck you!
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's smoking now.
I think the battery exploded.
We got a minute left. It's hot as hell in my garage. I mean, my laboratory.
It's a nice save.
Damn, this thing, oh, no,
If it doesn't go, you want to do it?
No, we're still going. Just let it go. We still got 35 seconds.
Alright. It would suck if you got battery acid like in your eyes.
Yeah, no, that's why we are being careful. We have safety equipment, damn it. 15 seconds.
Smoking a little bit.
A little, dude. There's the smoke fucking everywhere. You can't even see inside of it, all the
I
smoke.
know. I think it's all going out into your garage, your laboratory.
Alright, let's be careful.
Want to add like another minute?
Hold on, we gotta look at it first.
Smells like hot dogs.
Holy shit. Here, take it
Dang.
out real quick. Holy shit. Touch it.
Dude, look at all the, like... Oh my god, dude, it's all melted and everything.
Whoa.
Oh god. I think it's done.
Yep.
I think I should try and use this again.
Yeah, plug it in your computer.
God damn it.
What?
It won't come off my finger. Try and pull it apart. Damn, I can feel it through the gloves. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Ah, it's hot. Ah. Oh my god, dude, it's hot.
Yeah.
I know, but I didn't think you'd feel it through the gloves like that.
God. Poor MP3 player.
Alright, I think that's it.
Oh!
Oh shit!
What the fuck was that? Oh! Oh my fucking god! It just fucking exploded! Ah! That scared the shit out of me, man.
I think that was the battery. Oh god.
Fuck! Is the microwave okay?
It blew the
Dude, my heart is pumping so fast. Goodbye.
It blew the plate.